Hello, Simai. Welcome to Welsh with Will. Those of you who follow this channel will know that I have been trying to learn Welsh for, well, forever. At present, I'm trying the Duolingo phone app. And no, this isn't a paid promotion, I just like the app, which comes in two flavours, a paid version and a free version, and I'm using the free version. I thought I'd take you one session at a time through all the practice sessions from the very beginning up to my present level, and explaining my thought processes as I do so. Now, I won't by any means always get it right, but when I do go wrong, at least you'll know how I got there. Let's do it. So here we are again in Duolingo practice mode, and today we'll be doing present one.
Llaeth.
Llaeth. Well, I know that llaeth is milk. To buy is prynu.
Prynu.
Matching pairs. So very, that would be iawn.
Iawn.
Beer, of course, is cymru.
Cwrw.
To drink, yfed.
Yfed.
Parsnips would be panas.
Panas.
And meats, well, meat is cig, so meats would be cigoedd.
Pigoedd.
How do you say peas? Well, peace.
Peace.
Yes. More matching pairs. A woman, that would be menu.
Menu.
Water would be dŵr.
Dŵr.
To buy, that would be prynu.
Prynu.
Bread is bara.
Bara.
And parsnips is panas.
Panas. Dw I ddim yn yfed dŵr chwaith.
Do I ddim. Well, do I is referring to ourselves, so that would be do I ddim, which is mutated form of dim, which means not, or nothing, or sort of negativizing thing. So do I ddim means I am not. I am not. Yn yfed. Well, yfed, as we saw from the pairs, is to drink. So yn yfed is the act of us doing that in this case. Do I ddim yn yfed. I do not drink dŵr, which is water. So I do not drink water chwaith, which means either. So for this I will go for I do not drink water either. Do I ddim, I do not. Yn yfed, drink dŵr water chwaith, either. I do not drink water either. More matching pairs. To like, which is hoffi.
Hoffi.
Very, which is iawn.
Iawn.
To drink, as we've just done, is yfed.
Yfed.
Meat, singular, is cig.
Cig.
And beer is cwrw.
Cwrw. Dwi'n hoffi pys.
Do un hoffi peace. So do un is referring to ourselves again. Hoffi is to like. Unhoffi, which is the apostrophe N there, because the full phrase would be do I unhoffi. So dwi'n hoffi, I like peas, which is peas. I like peas. Dwi'n hoffi peas. I am eating bread. So referring to ourselves again, do I.
Do. In.
And there's an apostrophe there, so that's do I un, because bwyta is eating. But if you are doing the eating, it's unbwyta. So do I unbwyta bread, which is bara.
Bara.
I am eating bread. Do i'n bwyta bara.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi benafal chwaith. Gareth.
So referring to ourselves again, do I.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi benafal chwaith.
Ddim. Do I ddim. hoffi.
hoffi,
Pineapple,
benafal,
chwaith,
chwaith,
Gareth.
Gareth.
Let's see if we've got all that.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi benafal, chwaith, Gareth.
So, do I, referring to ourselves, them. So, I do not. Hoffi, unhoffi, I do not like. Pineapple, either. Gareth. There we go. I enjoy drinking coffee. So, it's going to be referring to ourselves as do I again. Do I.
Un,
Drinking is yfed. So, the act of doing it would be unyfed. So, do I unyfed.
yfed,
That's the apostrophe N there. Doing yfed. Oh, hang on, but it's I enjoy drinking. So
Yfed.
it's not the act of drinking, it's the act of enjoying. Mwynhau.
mwynhau,
Do I yn mwynhau. I like, or I enjoy rather, yfed.
Yfed.
I enjoy drinking coffee, which is coffee.
coffi,
So I'm going to go with that. Do I yn mwynhau yfed coffee. I enjoy drinking coffee. There we go.
dwi'n bwyta selsig,
Referring to ourselves again. Do I
un,
bwyta is to
Bwyta.
eat. So because we're doing it, it's bwyta. Do I yn bwyta.
dwi'n bwyta selsig,
Selsig.
selsig,
So I am eating sausage. Sausages. I like sausages and bread. So referring to ourselves again.
dw,
Do I like is hoffi.
hoffi,
So do I yn hoffi. I am liking basically. Do I yn hoffi. Sausages. Selsig.
selsig,
And, which is a.
a,
And bread, which is bara.
bara,
So do I yn hoffi. I like selsig, sausages, a bara, and bread. So let's go with that. Yes.
dwi ddim yn prynu dŵr,
Do
dw,
I ddim
ddim
yn
yn
prynu
prynu
dŵr.
dŵr, dwi ddim yn prynu dŵr,
So do I is referring to ourselves again. Do I ddim. So I am not. Prynu is to buy. So doing it is unprynu. So I am not buying dŵr, which is water. Do I ddim yn prynu dŵr. So I'm going to go with I am not buying water. Do I ddim yn hoffi peas and select the missing word. So what's going to be at the end is I do not like peas either. And either is chwaith, that one there, I think. So do I ddim yn hoffi peas chwaith. I don't like peas either. Milk. Well, I know this is llaeth. Of course, up north, North Wales, that could also be llefrith. But for the purposes of this exercise, it's llaeth, I think. Yes. Do in hoffi select the missing word? Well, one of these is spelt correctly and the others isn't. Selsig. I'm going to go with that one. Do in hoffi selsig. I like sausages. Translate the word meat. Well, I happen to know, and we know from the past exercise, that meat is cig. A bit harder. Hard exercise, translate this sentence. Do you enjoy yoga? So do you would be dych chi. Mwynhau is enjoy, so w, I, n, h, a, e. Dych chi mwynhau, but because you are doing it, it would be dych chi yn mwynhau. But we can shorten that with an apostrophe to dych chi'n mwynhau. Do you enjoy yoga, which is I-o-g-a, yoga. Dych chi'n mwynhau yoga. Do you enjoy yoga? I think I'll go with that. Let's try. Yes. Translate this sentence. I like bread. So, referring to ourselves would be do I. Hoffi is to like, so the fact we're doing it or being it is unhoffi. Dwi yn hoffi, which we can shorten again to apostrophe N. Dwi'n hoffi bread, which is bara. B-a-r-a, bara. Dwi'n hoffi bara. I like bread. I think I'll go with that. And there we go. And that's the end of the practice. So thanks for joining me for this practice session. Please comment, like and share if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next session. Hwyl fawr i chi.